morning vlog. Today is the day, not that day, but the next day is the day. But today is the day we get the truck. That was really confusing. Sorry about it. But today is a really exciting day and also a very sad day. It's my last full day here. And so in spirit of that, we're gonna go watch Dylan's last ball game of the season. We are picking up the U-Haul truck today. Literally in like an hour we have to leave because that's our pickup time. And then we're boxing the truck, which you'll see in this vlog. You'll also see us driving in this vlog. Yep. So that's really it. Oh, this vlog is the 100th vlog, by the way. Yay, whoop whoop, new adventure for the 100th vlog. This is also a sad day, but it's okay because it's a new adventure. Anyway, so we have some last minute stuff to pack up, which I will do after the baseball game, I think. Yeah, because it's the only time I have time for it. It's literally one more box plus this monitor plus my whiteboards and like a mirror. Like that's it. And like my clothes have to go in a suitcase and everything, but I mean that's it. And then we start driving tomorrow morning and it will be me and my dad. And so I will see you when we go pick up the U-Haul truck. Okay, I'm all dressed and ready. This is the fit of today. We're running to U-Haul right now to pick up the truck and the trailer. And then we'll drive back here and then I will head down to Dylan's game. Here we go. One of those is my truck and one of those is my trailer. That's our trailer over there, and we're getting a 15-foot truck instead. Okay, y'all, so in front of us is the truck and trailer, and we're almost home right now. So what kind of the plan is, because I have to leave in about an hour, we're gonna start loading the truck just a little bit. I actually think we're gonna get a lot of it done like within an hour. I don't have a lot of stuff, but whatever. So we're also gonna hook my car up to the trailer today, so I won't have a car anymore. So now me and my dad share one car because my brother has his car. Yeah, I just got off the phone with my manager. He's like, I'm really excited for you to be here. Like, you just gotta work and commit. And I'm like, I think I'm committing. I'm moving across the country for this. Like, this is what I want. And he's like, just know, like, you're gonna get big and you're not gonna have privacy. And I'm like, I've had all the privacy in the world. Like, calm before the storm has already happened. Nice turn signal. Not, and then you're gonna slam on your brake. What? Flip flop. You're such a, ooh, I hate people. Anyways, so I will show you guys moving in I'll show you guys moving or packing the truck up at the baseball game, pack the truck more, and then we leave tomorrow morning. I have a dinner tonight. I'm not going to videotape because it's with Dylan and his family, and I just kind of want to keep that just to ourselves because it's kind of my last night with them all together for a while until I come home, and then I'll see them again. But anywho, I'll catch back up with y'all when we get back to my house. I don't think that's gonna be good that that's open, but whatever. We're loading my I'm gonna laugh so hard. Anyways, we're loading my car onto the trailer now. Hey y'all, so we are Packing the very, very last box before we load the truck again. Taking this lamp, putting it downstairs. I'm gonna take that whiteboard, put it in the box. Just trying to figure out everything else. Since this is a very hard emotional moment, I'm trying to stay very like aligned that what I am bringing, what I'm not bringing. So let's go ahead.
So, when you're driving this, okay?
Okay, so now I'm packing the last box in my backpack and all my travel necessities in my purse. It's all packed. Oh my gosh, it's happening. It's really, really happening. I just had tears about his family that I'm crying.
You ready?
No.
Last time you were in my car.
Ever.
I'm not gonna have this car. And
I know, that's why I'm crying. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna vlog the rest of the night. All I'm doing is packing my suitcases and just putting everything else I need to pack tomorrow morning before we leave in a pile. I can't stop crying, so I'm just going to pack, and I will see you guys in the morning, hopefully in a less crying mood. I'm gonna miss my little kitty. Oh gosh. Well, good morning. Bed is made. Couch is clean. Everything is packed and ready to go. Didn't know I'd be actually this sad to look at my room when I left. But I guess I am. Anyways, so game plan. We're gonna try make it to Pensacola today, which is like a 10.5-hour drive. And then do the rest tomorrow, but we'll see. So catch up with you when I get everything else packed. the meat rubbed boat. We're at Arby's. We've never had Arby's, so we're gonna try Arby's. He's been driving for like 12 hours straight, 11 hours straight, no, 13 hours? Yeah, 13 hours. Okay, we just made it to the hotel for the night, so I will see if I'm gonna do a room tour. 2 queen beds, TV, mirror, sink with no light, sink, bathroom.